Okay, YouTubers, this is an absolute treat. I have decided, because I took it up to certified, we checked the brand new universal joints that I just put in it. Universal joints were perfect, completely tight, no slack, no play. Everything was good with it. No damage to the drive shaft. The balance weight was still welded on, but I've still got this crazy vibration in my drive line that I haven't been able to narrow down. So we checked my new transmission mount. It's absolutely winning. No complaints with it whatsoever. The mount's tight, all the bolts are tight, there's no damage. We checked the fluid in the T-5, it was completely full. A little dark, like we felt it was a little darker than it should be, but it was full. The rear end differential fluid was also full, but it's absolutely full of metal dust. Like the metal dust, like the fluid that came out was just, I don't want to say creamy, because it's not a creamy situation like you'd get with moisture, but the stupid fluid is so inundated with metal dust that it just makes it look an odd color. So basically what I've done is I've got the car up on ramps in the front, jack stands in the rear. I'm going to let it run a little while to warm up, and then I'm going to use my stethoscope to listen to the inside of the differential and the inside of the T-5. I have it in third gear, just, you know, at idle, 800 RPM idle, third gear, just letting everything come up to operating temperature. And I can hear, let me see if you guys can hear it. Grinding, or it's not quite a roar, but possibly like a bad axle bearing or something. I can see hear some kind of weird noise coming from the differential. So let me jump under here and see what I can find. Is one of those most frustrating moments when you've definitely been able to replicate the issue in your vehicle. I've replicated that rattling, grinding sound, but even with a gosh darn stethoscope and grabbing the body output housing of the T-5, putting the stethoscope on it, putting the stethoscope on the rear end. I can identify the sound, but I can't tell if it's an issue where the ring and pinion are having a problem and it's transmitting that issue and vibration through the drive shaft and it's coming out where in the transmission, or is it actually a problem with the gears and the bearings in the actual T5 that's doing the opposite and transmitting the issue back to the rear end. I don't know. Probably gonna have to have Richard come over and help me diagnose this situation so I know which end of the vehicle to start repairing. Alright, hang in there guys. We're gonna keep trying to figure this out.